Hello and welcome everyone to Login Helps. In this channel, we provide assistance with logging in and signing up to various applications and websites. In this video, we will be explaining how you can sign in to your Netflix account on your PC. Netflix is currently one of the most popular streaming platforms for the latest movies and TV shows. In order to watch your favorite TV shows or movies on Netflix, you will need to sign in from your account. In order to find out how, stay tuned until the end of the video. So let's get started and open up your web browser first. You can sign in to your Netflix account both by using your web browser, or you can also download the Netflix application from the Windows Application Store. In order to sign in using your web browser, just type in netflix.com and press enter in the address bar. You will now enter the official website of Netflix. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. And now you will be asked to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address and then enter your password. You can also click on the Show button to ensure that you have typed the correct password. You can log in with your Facebook account by clicking on Log in with Facebook. If you don't have an account, you can also click on Sign Up Now. If you wish to be remembered on your web browser, you can activate the Remember Me button so that you won't have to log in every time you need to access your Netflix account. Now click on the Sign In button. You can also choose to save your password by clicking on Save. Now just go ahead and click on your profile. If you have a PIN lock set up, then go ahead and type in your PIN. And now you will be logged in to your Netflix account on your web browser. You can immediately start watching movies or TV shows by just clicking on them. If you wish to download the application, just go ahead and open up the Microsoft App Store. Then click on the search box and just type in Netflix. After you find and click on the Netflix application, click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the Netflix application is downloaded, it will be installed in your system. Once the installation is completed, you can go ahead and open the Netflix application. You will again be asked to sign in to your account. You can go ahead and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Then just go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password. And then click on the Sign In button. Now click on your profile and you will be logged in to your Netflix account from the Netflix Windows application. So that is how you can sign in to your Netflix account from your Windows PC by either using your web browser or the Netflix application. If this video was useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.